Good day, guys. Welcome to Noble Creative Digital Market Agency. Hope you guys are doing great. So in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to design a place logo with shape. Yeah, everything going to be with shape and with a brush. So that is not much of our time. Let's go into to the business. So the first thing you have to do right now is to click on your plus button, then bring out your shape, then you increase it to this good. So you actually put it. So the next thing now is to click on the shape again, then you go to your max tool. So I'm going to be working with max tool now. So you have to drag your max tool, drag it. So it's going to be difficult a little bit, but you can actually get it at the end. So let me check it now. Good. So this is how I got this one. So the next thing is to duplicate it and make it 3. So let's put this one at the middle. Relative position, put it at the middle. So you click on this one too. Relative position at the middle. Good. Click on it again. Relative position again. Then at the middle. Good. So this is where the work is now. So the let me check if the color I use is here. So because I use about 4 color to do this logo. Okay. I think I use red. I use gray. I use yellow. Good. So let's continue. So now you click on your plus button. Then you click on you click on this. Then you click here. That is the first one now. So you are going to be giving the first one green color. So I'm going to be giving it this color. Good. So after giving that color, you click the next one, this one. You go to your color again. You give it something yellowish. You to this. Good. So you give it this color. After that, you now give this the first one. You give it red color. Good. So now what I'm going to do right now is to click on this. So lock the first one. This is the first one, this is the second one. So you lock it to the main button now. So you're going to click on it, move it on. So you lock the two again. You lock this one. And this is the option. You lock this one. You move this one as it is. So you're going to position it very well. So let me check. So good. So it's good like this. So let's get to the right now is to mix them together. So after you mix them together, you can now rotate it. So next I'm going to do right now is to click on your teleporting. Then we are using this kind of turn on my phone and the kind of what do you call it, the kind of keyboard I'm using. Just type brush, they will show you brush. After you show you brush, you click on done. Good. That is our brush. So you can actually increase the size. Go to your text because here it is text and not let me look for the size. Good. So actually if I increase the size, the brush you are going to use, you have to rotate the brush. You have to rotate the brush and take my hand together, we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what's mistake. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. So after you're done with this, so the next thing now is to click on this, duplicate it, good, and give it yellow color. This yellow color here, good. So you have to decrease it. Good. Then you can actually zoom your work to see what you're doing. So let's do the work part. Let's see what we got. Good. So this what we got. Good. So the next thing now is to click on your plus button. Then you use then you write good time paint. Good time paint. Good time paint. So you can click on this. Good. And after you're done, bring it down here. So I downloaded the font for it. Normally I downloaded the font for it, but honestly I have designed 3 designs since I did this. I've used a lot of fonts for it, so I can actually get the font that I use for it again. Okay, this I think is okay. We use demo. That is the font I use for it. So after you're done, you can click on your color, then change it to something light, something light. Good. So now we are done. So you click on your color. Let's see how white color will be. No, click on this, then go to your color to change the color of the background. So let's see how it will be. Good. So you can actually place it at the middle now. Position. So you can actually lock this. You can actually blend together. Good. So you can put it here now. So this is the end of this tutorial here. So you're going to photopea.com to mark it up. So you can actually save it as transparent. Click on save, then you save it as project, and also save it as this. So you click on very high here, then you save your work. So the next place we are moving is photopea.com. So guys, welcome to photopea.com. So this is the site I will be using to mock it up. So the first thing, after you click on photopea.com, it will direct you to this site. So after directing to this site, you click on your file, then you click on open. And after you click on open, it will direct you to your file. To click the PSD file you want to use. So I'm going to use it from my drive. So I've set it so let's wait for it to load. We've got to fight to find a way. So I'm going to be using mockup this. So you have to wait for it to load. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place if we can just find a way. Then we can live a better day. Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together. Good, so it has loaded. So after you load, the next thing I'm going to write now is to click on your layer. So click on your layer here. So after you click on your layer, you double tap this place where the right place your logo here. You double tap it. So it will show you this. Click the icon and edit. After that, you click on your file again. Then you click on open and place. Then from here it will direct you to your gallery. So you go to here and pick the one we just did right now. So this is what we just did right now. So let it load. So now you can now increase it with this button. Don't rotate it, don't let it rotate, you just increase it. So after increasing it, next I'm going to do right now is to click on save smart object. So let's wait for it to save it. So good. So this is the smart save object. So it has saved. So the next thing you are going to click on the first mockup. So that mockup 30 by you click on it. So that is how it will pop up, so you have to wait for it to pop up a little bit. So let's wait for you.
Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place if we can just find a way, then we can live a better day. Then we can live a better day. Then we can live a better day.
Let's look up, there's a file. Let's look up photopea.com. So then it will take time to load. So just out of a patience for it to load. I don't want to cut it because sometimes it won't load again. Good. So this is it. So we are done with the work now. So the next thing we have to do right now is to click on your file again. Then you go to your export as, then you save it as PNG. Then this is what we did. Can you see it right now? So this one just finished doing right. So you click on save. Then click on download. So we are done. So you can now check your gallery to check your work now that we just did. Good. So open. So you can open it on your own phone. So this is the end of the tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to comment, and don't forget to share the video for others to see. So thank you for watching up to this video. Thank you.
Where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand together.